Hi there, a special double extra today. I want to show you a calculator app that I've found for Android. As many of my students know, I'm a bit of an Android fanboy, and I love my Android phone. This is an Android tablet, an old one that actually belongs to college, but I'll demonstrate this app. It was I saw it recommended on a website. It's called Calcoid, if we can see there. Calcoid is the name of the app, and I've got it installed on here. It's supposed to be a very pretty calculator app. There we go, we've got it up and running, and as you can see, we've got an advert already. This is one of the issues. You can upgrade to an ad-free model for $1.99, but let's see if we can get rid of that ad. There we go. So there we go. It's supposed to look very pretty as a calculator. It's got nice colours. The font size is maybe a little bit too large on here, but I can't adjust it on the tablet, so it doesn't quite look right. And if we try out some operations, well, let's do 5 times 4. And you can see for some reason it's calculating everything to one decimal place. We've got 20 as the answer. That seems perfectly reasonable. Let's do the 1 divided by 3 test, because that's always good. 1 divided by 3 equals 0.33333, and if we scroll along here, if we scroll on there, we get a 4 at the end, which is very, very interesting. We've got a lot of decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 decimal places, but apparently 1 divided by 3 rounds up to a 4 at the end of that. Let's times this by 3, and we should get back to 1, shouldn't we? So times by 3, and we've got back to 1. That is actually pretty good going. Let's try that again. 1 divided by 3 times 3 equals 1. So that's quite impressive, apart from the 0.4 that we had appearing a little bit further along there. Let's try something else in here then. Let's see what the square roots are going to go like. 9 square root is 3. That's quite good. And if we square it, I think this x2 means square. There we go. We get up to 9. We've also got an x cubed, which gives us 729, which is 9 cubed, which that's all pretty good going. Let's try some other things. We've got a 1 over x button here, a reciprocal button. So let's try this. 1 divided by 3 again. That gives us our 0.333 with a 4 on the end. Very exciting. Let's press the reciprocal button, and we've now got 2.99999999400000013. Now that's quite an interesting number. Of course, if we do 1 divided by 3 and then take the reciprocal, that must be 3. But look at these exciting digits. Where this 1 and 3 comes from is really quite fascinating. Let's try that with something else. Let's do 1 divided by 5, a fifth, of course, and the reciprocal of that one it can handle. Interesting. Let's try. We've got lots of trigonometric functions up at the top here. They're all there. Everything's there. Sine, cos, tan, sine to the minus 1, cos to the minus 1, tan to the minus 1, sine, cosh and than. Oh, look at that. Natural log, e, 1 over x, pi, log. It's all looking good. So let's try a classic. Let's try a classic. Sine 30. Now, if we press sine a, what we're noticing here, this doesn't deal with the normal way that modern calculators enter things. You have to enter the angle first and then press sine. And we've got 0.499999. I love the way we can scroll across here. That it's 9s going on for a long time, and then a 4 at the end, of course. That really should have been 0.5. Let's take the reciprocal of that, and it gets us back to 2. But there's a 4 along there at the end of all the decimal places, so there's something not quite right there. Fascinating calculator then. We have some basic problems with the calculation. Something like sine 30, the fact that that's not 0.5 is surely that's an issue for a calculator. If we go into the settings menu, let's see if we can tweak things, then we just get privacy policy terms support, like, follow, share this app or upgrade. There's no real things that we can tweak If we go into the privacy policy there, it is fascinating reading. Let's see if we can get back. Can we? There, we're back into the main calculator again. This has many very positive reviews, over 700 5-star reviews out of just over 1,000 reviews in total. I've reviewed it. I gave it 1 star, something like sine 30 not being equal to a half. How can you get away with that? So there you go. Not recommended by MathsDave is this calculator app called Calcoid, I think. Just noticed something they did there. Look what happened. If I did, 30 sine and then press equals, it's a half. Mystifying. And that's maths.